We're coming at you with another SSD. Lego. What's up, everybody? It's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day. And my hair matches my shirt. This is the Oyunkey SSD. I picked this up in the 240 gigabyte model. It advertises a read and write speeds of 510 read and 410 write. So we're gonna put it to the test and see if that's the case. I have to say that the packaging on this is like really pristine. This is like the nicest packaging I have seen out of all the budget SSDs I have reviewed on this channel. So right here on the box it says true speed, 36-month warranty, stability, and long life. Why is that always so pleasing when you take the wrapping off of a new tech product? All right, let's see what we got in here. Cinemetal casing, that's pretty cool. That's not plastic, so they didn't skimp on the covering of this SSD. And also in the box, it's a user guide. And there's the drive there, front and center. Pretty decent, pretty nice looking. Very, very sleek. As I mentioned, this is the 240 gigabyte model. And you know, in PJ the Great fashion, we're gonna do a couple of tests here. The first test we're gonna do is we're gonna do a Blackmagic design test. Now, you know my 2010 Mac Pro is only SATA 2, but I have a Sabrent 3.0 UASP enclosure, so I'm gonna throw this thing in there so we can get as close to true SATA 3 speeds as possible. And then we're gonna do a real world file transfer test. See how long it takes to transfer files to and from this little guy right here. So, without further ado, let's get into that testing. Write speed from the desktop to the Oyunkey 9.32 gigabyte file. 30 seconds, not bad. Read speed from the Oyunkey to me desktop. Dead even. There you have it. So what's my take on this Oyunkey 240 gigabyte ePro SSD? Well, as you can see there, the read and the write speeds were pretty dead on at 350 and 350 in Blackmagic design. But keep in mind, I was testing this in an external enclosure. If you guys are going to be using this on a SATA 3 port inside your computer, you'll probably fare a lot better and get closer to the advertised speeds. And the read and write in the real world test, pretty spot on. 30 for read, 30 for write. What kind of use would I recommend this be for? Well, I would say that it would make an excellent drive to use as like a scratch disk. Like if you're doing video editing or photo editing, I think this will come in pretty handy and be fast enough for you. You can even use it to like store like your games or your documents or your photos or your videos. I think this would be a really excellent SSD for that. And let's say you have like an old PC or an old Mac laying around the house that you want to upgrade and put an SSD in. I wouldn't hesitate to do it with this. Put your OS on it. I think it would be just fine. Now, like if you have like a new like up-to-date PC or Mac, probably not. I'll probably tread lightly. Either way, whichever way you decide to use it, make sure you back up your stuff. Always back up your stuff. I'm going to see if this thing lasts the test of time. It does come with a 36-month warranty, which is 3 years. So you're pretty much covered there, but a lot of times those warranties on SSDs like this, they're very limited. They're not gonna cover you if you lose any of your data. That's why I say always make sure you back your stuff up. Even though I know I'm gonna get faster speeds in my external enclosure on this, I'm gonna throw it inside of my 2010 Mac Pro at SATA 2 because I'm not gonna mind a little, you know, depreciation in speed because I'm just gonna use it as a Final Cut Pro 10 scratch disk. 256, 272. Now I picked this up straight from the Oyunkey retailer. They had a little shop open up on eBay when they first listed it for the 240 gigabyte variant. They were asking $39.99 our best offer. You know me, I did my best offer, $30 even. They accepted it right away. So it was like, I didn't even need this. I just wanted to see if I can get it for $30. And I was able to get it for $30. So that's a pretty cool deal. At the time that I'm making this video, if you go over to eBay and you check out their store, they're now asking $48 for it, or best offer. So I pretty much got lucky, but we'll see if I got lucky. We'll see how long it lasts. With that being said, I think this is a cool pickup, especially for what I paid for it, $48. That's actually not bad either. But do keep in mind there are other retailers out there that are selling SSDs 240 gigabytes for around the same price. You can check that out on Amazon, names that have been around the block for like a while. So for $48 for this, compared to like an A-Data, say for example, I would probably steer towards the A-Data, to be honest with you. That's gonna wrap it up. If you guys have any questions about this SSD, hit me up in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. I try to answer like as soon as possible. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell for notifications. And until I see you in the next video, and no, I have not abandoned my docu vlogs. I'm gonna get back out there soon because the weather is actually getting a little bit better and I'm really happy about that. Until the next time, this is PJ the Great saying Audi 5000G.